Hi, I'm Alex, the co-founder and CTO of Flare, and today I'm going to show you how to set up delivery cutoff times for your delivery date picker on your Shopify store. First off, make sure you've installed the Flare app from the Shopify App Store. Second, make sure you've run through the initial setup steps to get set up on your theme and configure your basic calendar. Once you've done that, you'll probably be able to see your date picker where you've placed it on the page. In my case, I've placed it on our slide cart and cart drawer. You can see that I'm able to choose today as a delivery date or a day in the future. However, I'm a brand that can't ship same day if it hits after 12 o'clock, say noon. So I want to set up a cutoff configuration to adapt the calendar depending on the time of day. What we want to do is go back to our Flare app, go to the calendar configuration page, scroll down to delivery cutoffs, click add cutoff time, choose where your warehouse is in the world, in my case it's in London, choose the cutoff time that works for your store and operations. In my case, if it's after 12 o'clock, we can no longer deliver same day, and then choose the buffer, how many days before the delivery date you want this to apply to. So in my case, if the order is placed before 12 o'clock today, delivery is today. So I'm going to set this to 0. That means that if the order is placed after 12 o'clock, or if the customer is selecting a delivery date after 12 o'clock, the earliest delivery they'll be able to see is tomorrow and not today. Once you've set this up, click Save in the top right. Now, if you return to your live store, we can test this out. So it's currently after 12 o'clock in the UK, which means that tomorrow is going to be the earliest available date as we've passed the cutoff for today. If I open up my slide cart, you can see that yes, that's correct. Today is no longer an option as it's past 12 and the earliest available date is tomorrow, the 19th. So that's how you set up cutoff times for specific delivery dates in your calendar. Thank you.